see, this is a new construction house. We do some new construction, you know, for limited builders. But I seen something funny outside. Well, inside. Oh, cover's missing there. Furnace sits there. There's a pipe running from the plenum out here. You're really kidding me right now. That is blowing heat out. Why is that blowing heat out? Why am I heating outside? Is that new code? Is that air intake? That's very confusing. That's air intake. I'm serious, it runs from the furnace plenum out here. It's got some kind of motor on it. And it runs right there. What the hell are they doing? Oh my lord. Oh my lord. We must have did this one too. There's the air intake. I'm very confused. I've never seen anything like that. I'll take you downstairs. Okay. There's where the pipe goes out. And looks like you got a booster motor there. I don't even know what the heck that is. Huh. Interesting. Never seen anything like that. Why I'm here is the water on the floor. And for some reason, I don't know, they're doing something somewhere. And they knocked the drain out of the condensate pump. And that's just the water flowing on the floor. I'm heating the outside. Someone screwed up.